There are some instances we wish to transfer files from our laptop into the phone or vice versa without the hassle of internet connection. Join me, let me introduce you into this amazing data cable set. It consists of Lightning, Micro, Type-C. Guys, this is the data cable set I'm talking about. Guys, this is a multifunctional cable set. It can also be used to charge phones and it is 60-watt PD, so it's very fast. It also has a SIM ejector for removing SIM from our phone. It has one long Type-C to Type-C cable. So for those using Type-C phones, you can just connect it into your phone like this, then plug into your laptop that supports Type-C. So if your laptop doesn't support Type-C, it also has a USB dongle. And inside the USB, there is a Type-C port there. So you can just plug it like this, then connect it to your laptop and transfer your files from your phone or vice versa. Now, for those using Lightning, that's for iOS, US, and those using Micro, that's for Android users. This is how you are going to plug it. Inside the Android and the iPhone, there is a port inside it, so you can just plug it inside like this. Then you connect it into your phone and transfer. The same things apply to those using iOS. So guys, I really like this data cable set, not because it only helped me to transfer files from my laptop or vice versa, but also a multifunctional cable. It's 60-watt data cable and also a charging cable. So with those using Type-C or USB, this is 60-watt cable, so it charges phone and any other device at a faster rate. So I really like this. And also there is a space for me to place my SIM that I'm not using it. So it helps me and allows me not to miss my other SIM. So I really like it. And those who are interested in it can also click on the link to purchase theirs. Thank you. You know how we do it, Virgin deals always.